Starting with the name of Allah, who is a great, merciful and beneficent. My teachers and audience, Assalam. My name is Umar Zamin and I am a student of class 6. Today's my speech topic is education. Education is the knowledge of the world around us. It changes it into something better. It develops in us a perspective of looking at life and have built opinions and points of certain things in life. Having a good education is important to one's success in one's life. A good education is important to one's success in life. A good education is important because you will able to think yourself and communicate intelligently to other people. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education is the key to eliminating gender inequality, to reducing poverty, to creating a sustainable to apple planet, needless death and illness, to fostering peace. My teachers and audience, thank you, take care and Allah.
Great.